How to fix the Amazon Fire TV sticks not installing apps. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. So for that you need to follow some following steps. So the steps are, very firstly, what you need to do is you need to check your internet connection. Go to the setting option, go to the network option of the Fire TV stick and select your Wi-Fi network and choose the check network to ensure your internet connection is stable. Start your router if it is not stable, or unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds and then plug it back and allow it to reconnect. Now, after that, what you can also do is restart your Fire TV stick. Simply restart it by going to the setting option and going to the Fire TV option and restarting. You can also go to the power cycle option, unplug the Fire TV sticks for about the power source for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Also, what you need to do is check the storage space as well. Make sure that you have free up the space. What you can do is go to the setting option, go to the My Fire TV option, go to the About option and then check on the storage. If the storage is low, uninstall the unused apps or clear the cache or some data from some apps to free up the space. Also, you need to check the new updates for the Fire TV sticks so that you are always updated and you won't miss out any new feature. Now after that, what you need to do is clear all the cache and data by just long pressing and clearing the data and cache from the following app if it is not working properly. You can also check the Amazon account by going to the register device, go to the setting, My Account, Amazon account, deregister, and after deregistering, sign back in to your Amazon account credentials again. Now restart your Fire Stick TV, and after resetting, your problem should be solved. But if none of the problem is solved, then I will suggest you to go and contact the Amazon support help option, because this might solve your problem and it will give you feedback to solve your solution as well. So that's how I can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.